Today we are going to see the next lesson. What is the lesson name? Shapes and angle. What is meant by shapes? Already in lower classes you have studied. See, shape means nothing. This is one square, rectangle, that are called shapes. See, this one is square, circle, triangle. These are all called shapes. What is meant by angle? Angle means the two intersecting line, the space between them, it will be measured in degree. The space between two lines, that is called angles. See here it will make one angle. Here there is no angle. Here also the angle. Shape means nothing. That square, circle, triangle, rectangle, and so on. That the two intersecting lines that will make one angle. That is measured in degree. That is called angle. See, angle in three types: right angle, acute angle, and then obtuse angle. See, right angle means like this. Both are straight. Right angle means straight. Acute angle means smaller angle. That is less than right angle. Less than right angle. Obtuse angle means more than right angle. More than right angle. See, this is right angle. Acute angle means less than right angle. Obtuse angle means more than right angle. Now I show my arm to you. See, now this is a right angle. See, and this one is a acute angle, and this one is a obtuse angle. These only we are going to see in the lesson. Now open your maths book. I explained it. Now open your maths book to the page number 16. See, lesson topic, shapes and angle. Rogini and Mogini are twin sisters. See, Rogini and Mogini are twin sisters. See, he is Rogini or Mogini, I don't know. They are twin sisters. They love doing the same things. One day, when they were making shapes with matchstick. See, using the matchsticks, they are going to make shapes. Shaila gave them a challenge. See, Shaila gave them a challenge. Rogini will make a shape. Mogini has to make the same without looking at it. But she can ask question. Okay? See, what is the challenge? Rogini will make the shape as well as Mogini has to make the same shape without looking at it. But she can ask the question. Oh, that is so simple. See, Rogini made this shape. See, what is the shape name? Hexagon. What is the shape name? Hexagon. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides means hexagon. See, Mogini. It is closed shape or open shape. Rogini said it is closed shape. Mogini, how many sides are there? Rogini said it has 6 sides. Mogini made this. See, Mogini made this and Rogini made this hexagon. Now you give the answer. Is it a closed shape? Yes, it is a closed shape. So you write yes. Y-E-S, yes. Does it have 6 sides? Yes. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally, does it have 6 sides? Yes, it has 6 sides. Sorry. But it is not the same as the one made by Rogini. So Mogini tried again. See, this one is made by Rogini, but this one is made by Mogini. Is this same? No, it is not same. but it is not same as the one made by Rohini. So Mohini tried again. See, this is Mohini tried again. This is what she made. Now look at the question. Is it a closed shape with 6 sides? Look at here. Yes, it is closed shape. How many sides are there? Now we are going to count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is a closed shape with 6 sides. So you write yes. Is it the same as the one made by Rohini? No. Because see, Rohini made hexagon, but she made 2 triangles opposite to each other. So this is 2 different. Is there some way to say in what way these shapes are different? Yes, the shapes are different in angles. The shapes are different in angles. So here you write the shapes are different in angles. Mohini tried again but got different shapes. Guess and make 2 more shapes Mohini could have made. See, Mohini is now tired of trying and asks Shaila what to do. If you ask for the angles that the matchstick make at the corners, you can do it. Oh, so let us look for the angles. Now we are going to see the angles. Look at the angles marked in these shapes. Can you see the difference? See, these are more than 90 degree. So that is called what? Obtuse angle. Here also the angles are 2 different. Can you see the difference in the angles? Yes. See how the matchstick can make a small angle. See, this one is a small angle. A big angle means like this. And bigger angle means like this. See? Wow, when the angle changes, the shape changes so much. So, wow, when the angle changes the shape changes so much. Turn the next page. Practice time. Look at the shape and answer. The angle marked in, see, black color is the biggest angle. Which is the biggest angle? The black color angle is the biggest angle. Comparing white, the black is biggest angle. So here you write black color. Are the angles marked with yellow or equal? See, here the angle is marked with yellow color. Here also one angle marked with yellow color. Is this both are same? Yes, the both are same. Using the using the tester we can find out. So here also you write yes. Are the angles marked with green or equal? See the green angles. Here both are make small angle, a little bit big angle. So here also you write yes. And then are these angles marked with blue or equal? See the blue. Yes, the both are equal. Next, 4 different angles are marked in 4 colors. Can you find other angles which are the same as the one marked in red? Mark them in red. Do this for the other colors. See, now first we are going to take green color. See, look at the green. The angle is little bit big. Here also we are going to draw the angle. Using the green color you have to draw. And then look at here. That is red color. Red color angle, the same angle is here. So you mark it in red color. And then yellow color, the same angle here. So here also you mark it in yellow color. Now at last black color. Here also now I draw the black color. These angles are same. Sorry, same. Next page. How many different shapes can you make by changing the angle between the matchstick in each of this? See, first one is all are right angle. Already I said no. If it is straight means that is called right angle. See, using the 4 matchstick, they are going to make right angle. And then using 8 matchsticks, they are going to make obtuse angle. That is more than 90 degree. Here, acute angle, obtuse angle. Using 5 matchstick. Using 7 matchstick, they are going to make more than 90 degree. That is obtuse angle. Here also more than 90 degree. That is also obtuse angle. See, matchstick puzzles. Make a 8 triangles using 6 matchstick. Try it. See, make a 8 triangles using 6 matchstick. You have to try. And then take 8 matchstick and make a fish like this. Now pick up 3 matchsticks and put them in such way that the fish now starts swimming in the opposite direction. See, if we change to the 3 matchsticks, the fish can go in opposite direction. See, now if you take this 2 and put it in here, it will look like an opposite direction. Next, using 10 matchstick, make this shape. Pick up 5 matchstick and put them in a such way that you get the shape of a house. See, using 10 matchstick, now you are going to make this shape. Pick any 5. Pick up 5 matchstick and put them in a such way that you get the shape of house. See, the one B is telling, if you have not been able to solve this, then look for the answers on the page number 29. See, if you don't know to do, you just turn the page number 29. See, here are the answers. Okay. Now turn the next page. See, angle tester. How do we make equal angles? See, Shaila and Mogini both are discussing about angle tester. How do we make equal angles? See, Shaila said, let us make an angle tester. You also have an angle tester in your geometry boards. It is called the divider. See, like this type of instrument we have in geometry boards. That name is called divider. See, cut 2 strips from a cardboard sheet. Fix them with a drawing pin or such that both strips can move around easily. See, now I am going to show that. See, this is not a cardboard. Now I am taking the note paper. See, I have cut it into 2 strips. See, now I am going to fix them using the board pin. Now it can move around easily. Now the angle tester is ready. See, now it is look like a right angle. Now it is look like a acute angle. Now it is look like a obtuse angle. See, now the angle tester is ready. You also try in your home. Next, Rogini and Mogini went all around with the angle tester to look for the different angle in their classes. See, Rogini and Mogini went all around with the angle tester to look for a different angle in their classes. Rogini tested the angle of the math book and the pencil boards. See, now I am going to measure the math book using the angle tester. See. Now it is a right angle. Can you see there? Now it is a right angle. See, listen. Look at the tester. It has opened like the letter L. See, that is open like the letter L. This is right angle. We write it as a L. See, already I shown that it is a shape, look like a shape L. So sorry, it is look like letter L. So that is called a right angle. Next page. Go around with your tester and draw here those things in which the tester opens like the letter L. Are you sure they are all are right angles? See, go around with your tester and draw here those things in which the tester opens like the letter L, that everything will be a right angle. Next, practice time. Look at the angles in the picture and fill in the table. See, look the scissor. It is more than right angle or less than right angle. That is less than right angle. So tick less than right angle. Here, look at the arm. See, elbow. This is also right angle. This is right angle. The shape, can you see the shape L? So this is a right angle. Here also you can see the shape L. So this is also right angle. And then see the screw cage. See here, this is more than right angle. So tick more than right angle. Here see the angle. This is also more than right angle. Thank you students. Remaining part we will see in next class.